shaves, and thanks for joining me for the first shave of 2022. Happy New Year, guys. Right, and if you're new to the channel, as always, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So how you doing? You okay? I hope so. Excited about this, bit of a blue theme going on. New soap in the den, and a new release as well from Phoenix and Beau, and it's Bluebird K7. That's the famous jet-propelled boat, and it's inspired by the British world speed record breaker on water, Donald Campbell, CBE. So Google him. I'll try and leave a link in the bottom so you can, if you don't know about said craft and the guy himself, you can have a look, if I remember. Now I've got it blooming. By blooming, if you don't know, I've put some hot water on while I was drying off out of the shower. Been about 10-15 minutes. It's cooled down now, it's like a milky liquid. And I'm going to use that as a pre-shave. Last minute change from the thumbnail. I was going to use the cobalt, and I changed my mind. So, right, weapon of choice is my Game Changer 84p. I haven't used it in a while. Short grip handle, all stainless steel, 316 marine grade stainless steel. Quite a low profile, 0.84, hence the name blade gap. And I love the touch on these. The base plate, very tastefully done. Got its own stamp, serial number and everything. Nice leather channels there to allow the lather and the whiskers to flow through. It can only be one blade, is Bluebird. I'm going to use a Bluebird for its first use. Running low on these. Nice blade if I remember correctly. Single wrap. Though it doesn't always mean a bad thing. And where are we? Bluebird high stainless. It's got the numbers on the edges for the quality control, which I always like. So we'll load this in now, like so. Get on there. Nice and tight. No overhang whatsoever to worry about on this RazoRock blade. Alignment looks good. See you guys. As you can tell from the thumbnail, I'm going to use my Blackland signature brush made from solid billet aluminum, 23mm synthetic knot. So I'm going to use this as a pre-shave. I'm going to wet the face first, just rehydrate the whiskers, a bit of warm water in the sink, because the bloom water's cooled down a bit now. And it's not a hard pour, it's not like a triple milled soap. And it's not a croap either, it's an in-between. Oh, it's slick. I like Phoenix and Beau, good soaps. Yeah, I'll tell you the notes in a minute. Quite strange actually when I got this. The notes are mandarin, pink pepper, vetiver, sandalwood and patchouli. Now when I first got this, I did the unboxing, I don't know if you've seen it guys. When I first got this, I couldn't smell the mandarin. I could smell the vetiver, the patchouli and the sandalwood. Not the pink pepper so much. Now, when I chose what I was going to use, I didn't smell it, I could smell the mandarin coming right at the forefront. Beautiful. Wet the brush. I can smell the mandarin, I can smell the patchouli and the vetiver. Yes, a hint of background with the sandalwood. 3 flicks of the brush so it's wet but not dripping. And here we go. Let's load the brush up, lather on the face. Yeah, it's a nice blend. It's a fresh but soft. It's a positive scent. You smell it, it's like, you know, that makes any sense. So yeah, looking forward to it. I've got some more subs, got some new additions coming on the way as well. Got a couple of brushes coming. Gonna go with that. Straight hair. Gonna go with that, guys. We can always go back to the puck, can't we? And we've already got the pre-shave on as well, so that'll help. Great brush. Pricey, but it's a great brush. I'll leave a link into everything that I've used where I can in the description. Almost caught up on the comments as always. I would have been, a bit more water. I would have been caught up, but I had to go out of town for the day on Sunday morning. A friend of mine needed a bit of help. A little bit of an emergency, so I went and helped him, stayed overnight, and I came back early morning yesterday. Nothing bad, it's just a bit of an emergency situation. All is good now, and I hope all is good with you as well. How's your year started? Hopefully with a great shave. Great shaves and positivity. Right, get some heat in the razor. Here we go, first pass. RazoRock Game Changer, RazoRock Game Changer 84p with the Bluebird High Stainless first use. Few days growth here. It's so smooth but yet efficient, this razor. It's Andy Wilson. You alright, Andy? I hope you're okay, mate. It's Andy Wilson, just kept on mentioning it. I thought I'll bite the bullet and get it. It's one of the best razors that I've gotten down, without a doubt. Soap's working excellent. Cushion and slickness. Gotta be careful up here, I got caught. Get it out of the way so I can see. A little bit there. Kitten scratched me. My own fault. Don't put your face too close to a kitten when it's hypo. Playing with it. Took a swipe. Hey ho. So have you made any New Year's resolutions? Me and Mrs. B don't bother. I don't think we ever have, to be honest with you. I think everybody now, I think some people still do, but I think a majority of people set goals and resolutions all year round, personally. That's what I tend to do anyway. Not specifically aimed at New Year's Day or New Year's Eve. Just go with the flow. I get an idea in my head or something of what I do. Set myself that target and I'll set myself a time for doing it. Length of time. A bit like answering your comments. Can't help it, I'm a busy man. This is not my job. Some people tend to not realise it's a hobby. Sharing my passion with you guys for wet shaving. If anybody learns anything along the way, fantastic. Makes it all worthwhile. But it's not my job. I'm an extremely busy man. I have a full-time job. But there you go. Don't want to hear me waffling on about my life all the time, do you? Not unless it makes you guys feel better. Sometimes you probably then thought I had it bad. No, it's all good fun. It's life. Just embrace it. There we go. Second pass. I'm only waffling. Second pass across the grove. Yeah, I really like Phoenix and Beau soaps. I was really glad when when I'd seen the label for this, because when I was a kid, we used to have these trump cards, super trumps, with different things like boats or cars and planes and everything. You'd have the specs. If your specs were higher than the other guy with a card that he had, you'd win his card. Do you remember that? I remember as a kid being quite fascinated with this jet propelled boat. Who set the world record on Lake Windermere. Where it also crashed and sank over here in the UK. Beautiful place, Lake Windermere. Windermere itself, next to Kindle, the famous Kindle mint cake, where they make that. Fantastic mountains, great hikes up there. Been quite a few years since I've been to Windermere. Great for getting up to the nostril, no problem. Or nostrils, I've got more than one. This is a superb razor. Needed a shave as well. It's about 3-4 days growth with it. So what's your shaves of the day, guys? Let me know in the comments. Let me know if you've got this soap and what you think of it. Let me know what you think of Phoenix and Beau soaps. I'm just going to grab whatever's there. There's the pour, guys. You can see that. Always a smooth soap. Smooth pour, flat, even, neat. Might probably just be enough for a shave on this one. I've done well. I received the package as well. I've got an unboxing coming up. I received the packet just before Christmas. I just haven't had time to fit an unboxing. Here we go, guys, against the grove. Third pass, the money pass. All should be revealed. It's a couple of brushes. So I'm hoping to get the unboxing, do an unboxing, get that up either tomorrow or Thursday. It'll be in between the next shave on Friday anyway. And do you know what? I keep forgetting to do the competition for the loaf of soap. The juice, and apologies for that, guys. In the day I'm like, oh, do the competition. Come the shave, I completely forget it. So I am, excuse me, I am going to do that in a short video as well. That'll be in the week as well. I'm getting sick of the sight of me. And thank you so much for your new subscribers as well. Thanks for jumping on board this crazy ride. I much appreciate your support, thank you. I should thank all of you, of course. But you know that. Beautiful. Those whiskers feel quite strong today. Wow. Just a little tiny bit left. Slit this residue once it's wet. Slit this is great. Here we go. Should just be enough. Oh yeah. Great little brush this. Like I said, it's pricey. But it's a fantastic, feels great in the hand. Nice little brush. I wouldn't say it's good for travelling, the weight. What a heavy sucker. Here we go. Pick up time. First pickup time of 2022. Well, everything's got to be the first, isn't it? Hey. Yeah, hardly anything there, guys. That's a great shave. Fantastic shave. Cold water rinse. Alum. Love the alum. Not a thing. And that's close. That is BBS. Fantastic. Told you it's a blue thing. Beautiful. Fantastic first shave of the year. Long may they continue. Splash! Ah! I'm going with the matching splash. That's focusing. Like I say, I'll leave a link into everything. I got this from Shaving Time. Smell more of the mandarin in the splash. But what a blend. What a blend. So if you fancy some, use my discount code CB4089. You'll get 10% off whatever you order at the checkout. Known for Nivea Men, cool sensitive. Love this stuff. It's a pity they can't have the scent of the originals. That's all you need. Besides. First pizza of 2022. I'm only joking. I can't help myself now. It's like a habit. Absolutely superb shave. Absolutely beautiful. Love that. I shall wash, rinse. I'm going to do a video of how I wash my gear as well. A few people have asked me what you do when you wash, and I've seen a few questions on shaving forums, what you do. So I've got that in the pipeline as well. And if somebody beats me to it, I'll still do it. Right, just rinse this off. What I'm going to do, rinse this off, give it a shake, and I rest it on the window ledge with some baking paper underneath because it's non-grease, and just let it dry for 24 hours, and then put it back in the den on the shelf. There's the ingredients, guys. Thank you so much for joining me for the first shave. Yay! Got the first one in the bag. Right, guys, if I don't see you before, I'll see you Friday. Have a fantastic rest of your week. Have some smooth shaves and stay safe. See you later, guys. Bye.